Experiencing login problems with your Xfinity app on Rogers? You're not alone. Common culprits include Captcha failures, account locks, and the need for password resets. These issues often arise from the integration of Xfinity services on Rogers networks, leading to authentication hiccups. Captcha problems typically stem from network latency or VPN interference, while account locks are triggered by unusual login activity. If you're repeatedly failing Captcha, try disabling your VPN or ensure your network connection is stable. Also, be aware that after 3 failed login attempts, your account may be locked for 24 hours as a security measure. This is all due to regional IP filtering or VPN interference. Rogers customer support recommends manual resets via web portals as a workaround. If you're locked out of your Xfinity account, start by resetting your password through the Xfinity website at xfinity.com/reset. This will send a secure link to your associated email or phone for verification. For Captcha issues that prevent login, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try using a different browser to resolve the problem. If problems persist, contact Rogers Customer Support. They can escalate the issue to Comcast if necessary. Recent app updates include an in-app reset feature that reduces resolution time. Looking ahead, Comcast plans to phase out Captcha in favor of biometric logins, and AI-driven anomaly detection will automate account unlocks. Always ensure you have access to your associated email or phone for verification during resets. Also, use Rogers' built-in VPN instead of other VPN services to avoid compatibility issues.